Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You must not try to intentionally make your eyes red. Causing deliberate irritation can lead to infection, corneal damage, or permanent vision problems. If your eyes are already irritated, remove contacts immediately and avoid rubbing. Rubbing spreads particles and worsens inflammation. Once done, flush the eye with clean room temperature water for 10 to 15 minutes while holding the eyelid open, and then consult a healthcare professional for a safe evaluation and treatment plan. If you want a red eye look for appearance or photos, choose safe alternatives rather than harming your eyes. Get FDA-approved colored or theatrical contacts only through a licensed eye care provider. They fit properly and reduce risk of corneal abrasion. Use makeup safely by applying red or burgundy pigments to the lash line and lids, making sure no product enters the eye. For pictures, use photo editing or red eye filters to achieve the effect without any medical risk. To conclude, prioritize eye health. Rest, avoid further irritation, and use a cool compress for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce swelling. Make sure to seek urgent medical attention for severe pain, sudden vision changes, sensitivity to light, or visible blood in the eye. These are signs that immediate care is needed. If over-the-counter drops are considered, consult a clinician first rather than guessing. When in doubt, call an eye clinic or emergency department for clear next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.